I can't tell you how excited I am. Maybe even more excited than getting like my every 4 months beauty products because again, obviously I don't use them. However, I got a chainsaw. Oh my god, I got a chainsaw. I got a chainsaw. I got a chainsaw. This tree back here, he's been chilling there for about 3 months. He is about to meet his demise. Well, like his demise. Like his little tree soul is just like barely there and I'm about to rip it out. So this is what happens when you put a country girl in the middle of suburbia. However, for some of you friends, I do have to show you, I am rocking my basic bitch Uggs. Yeah, that's right. I'm chainsawing a fucking tree in my fucking Uggs because I can. Because why not? So, got a chainsaw. You guys ready for this? Are you ready for this? Come on, baby! And that's how it's done. That's how it's done. That's how it's done. That is how it's done.